Hello everyone, Alan Morrow here from AIM Studios and welcome to this Trance Pads sound design tutorial. If you find yourself struggling to create nice trance pads from scratch, then be sure to check out this tutorial as I'll be going through my full process in depth of how I create trance pads from the ground up. So the video we're going to be looking at sort of creating pads such as your sub pads, saw pads, gated pads, phase pads and top end sort of textured pads. And what you'll sort of learn from this tutorial is, sort of how to layer pads with different oscillators, why each parameter is changed and what it's doing, what sort of waveforms to use for particular sounds. We'll be looking at the ADSR and how to shape your sounds for your pads. We'll also be looking at what sort of effects to use to create a desired effect, and how to use mod envelopes for more creative pads. We'll also be looking at how to mix your oscillators to get more dynamic trance pads, as well as looking at how to set up Sylenth for gated pads and how to use the LFOs and MISC for creating more movement within your pads. We'll also be looking at positioning the pad layers in the stereo field and how to use filters A and B with your pads, as well as looking at how to make textured and sort of atmospheric trance pads through LFOs, and also looking at how to mix your different pad layers together. As well as all this, we'll be looking at using the detune, the effects, as I said before, the stereo positioning, the mixing EQ, mod envelopes and more. So if you are interested in this tutorial and you would like to start creating your own trance pads, or would like to have a better understanding of how to manipulate your other presets, other pads and stuff like that, be sure to check this out at alanmorrowstudios.com.